Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and this is Ayush Srivastava. And today we are going to explore my own personal portfolio that I have built using HTML, CSS, and JS, and that is hosted currently on GitHub. This is the URL for my portfolio, ayushsrivastava.github.io. I have also mentioned this URL in the description in case if you want to review the portfolio, please go ahead and share your feedback in case if you want, and any other comments or thoughts. I am happy to acknowledge it and also receive it. I'll really appreciate that. So let's get started. So this is the main home page, landing page for my opposite for my portfolio profile, and this is a bit like first of thing, this hover mouse I have changed. I've used a scroll button and it will move like this. So this is just text and view composition of the colors. Here is view case studies that will redirect to you all the case studies that I would like to share with you, the selected projects that I want to share. This is download resume button which will redirect you directly to the my personal resume. Okay. Going forward, I have mentioned a few metrics in this portfolio, that is budgets managed, how many projects was delivered, what is the gain, and stakeholder satisfaction. And in this now, this is a philosophy, a bit of section where I have just uh, updated code from my end, bridging the gap between strategy and execution. And this is the hover image feature. When you hover, the image gets colored, and by default it will be in black and white. So, or you can call it as grayscale. So let's get started. These are some selected works that I have crafted and shared. So this is all great. You can click on read case study. You will be redirected to the new page, and let's suppose this is one of the project that I have handled in my past, and there are all the metrics mentioned, all the details, but not any specific details to the company, or you cannot mention that. So this is basically a case study that how you have rescued from I, and you can inquire for more view next project. If you click, you will be redirected to the new project which I have um spearheaded and how it has worked. So this is my profile. This is my professional journey. I have mentioned in this my portfolio the toolkit, like which tools I have much more having expertise, and I have just a footnote ready to deliver. And you can just click on here, and you can email me easily. This is my LinkedIn profile link. These are all my social media profiles. You can just hit any buttons. Going forward to the case studies page, well, let's go. So this is the case studies page where this is all projects page, where you will be getting the insights that what all projects have been, what all selected projects I have shared with the case studies data, to get a good insights on it. Insights is one thing, that is knowledge hub, like the YouTube tutorials, like how to design Z4 brushes, how you can create a full stack development app, full stack restaurant management system, LMS project with AI, private bin, what is private bin, managing scope creep in SaaS, in SaaS. So these are all articles that have been published already in my tools. If you want join the 1% of project managers, you can just enter your email, ayuxyz.com, and click on subscribe. When you will be clicking on subscribe, you will be directed to the WhatsApp, and you need to just continue WhatsApp web and send me the link. So you will be joined already, and you will be having, please send the pre-filled message on WhatsApp to confirm. Okay, so there are a lot of users currently on WhatsApp that have been joined with me. Let's start a conversation. So here also you will be entering all the details. If you want to contact with me, have a text, book a 15-minute intro call. These are few FAQ sections I have mentioned, like what is the engagement model. I have purely kept it as professional as I could, and with minimal changes, minimal efforts, and everything. So similarly, you can also build your portfolio, and in case if you want anything, any understanding on the tech stack, or any understanding how to host your own portfolio online, so you can just contact with me and connect with me also. That would be, I would surely guide you. I'll surely provide you whatever the best approach would be there. So This is from my end, and now let's go to the mobile view, which I'm sharing you. And there is one two functionalities more that you can explore the mobile view. So let's get started over there. Keep watching. So this is the mobile view, the same as it is as per the desktop view, but it is fully responsive according to the needs requirements. You can see that all the articles, case studies, my portfolio journey, and tools and delivery, everything is the same, and it's fully responsive. Really, it's good to have one thing. This is all projects. This is a feature like when I click it, it comes as an overlay on the mobile when I click on the scroll button for my all project section. And after that, this is the contact section. Everything, the all the functionalities remains the same, fully functional for this portfolio website. And another one thing more, that is, if you are an iOS device, you just click on the three dot more, you just scroll a bit down more, and then you go and click on add to home screen, and you click on add. So this will add my portfolio to your home screen, and you can just open it, watch it out, and keep it handy and save it for your future reference and purpose, and always ready to visit for new and a good update. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this portfolio, and in case if you want to suggest something or share your feedback, please do share in the comment section. I'll surely acknowledge it and get back to you as soon as possible. So and happy weekends, happy day, good day, everyone. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. And please be with me, join my farm. Thanks.